Hey everyone, welcome back to the vlog. So today is a quick dinner meal, very inexpensive. It's just one of those days where I didn't have much to prepare and this was quick. So I hope you enjoyed this quick dinner routine for our family.
Hey, what's going on?
Cooking, corned beef and noodles.
So after cooking, what are we doing today? After cooking, what are we doing today? I don't even know. It's late now to go outside.
It's too late. I'm gonna make coffee. And I drink coffee at night.
I'm making a rice.
No, mommy's not making a rice.
What?
Here.
What is it? Oh, mommy. Oh. What?
Come from there, come from there.
It's hot.
It's hot.
What is it? What's your name? Say hi to the camera. Say hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
Tell the guys your name. My name is Daisy. I can't see your face.
It's mommy cooking.
Mommy's cooking, but you have to move away from mommy, okay?
Bye, Gaga. Thank you. How are you?
So mommy, I love you.
Come from the heat, Mama. Come.
I catch mommy.
Okay, big kiss. Mwah. I let you go sit down.
So what's going on?
Yeah, corned beef with noodles. I want to put some vegetables in it, the way the kids are set up. Some, what do I want to put in? I wanted to put some, what's it called?
Guys,
The baby spinach?
it's hot. Mommy.
Yummy.
It's my turn.
It's your turn?
Hey, Mom.
Hey, come from there. You want to taste? Like it? You have to do something with your hair. Sorry. See me. It's already salty.
Mama, eat.
So I only use one package of this, the seasoning that came with it, and the rest of the flavors from the corned beef. This corned beef is salty.
Daddy. Mommy, eat.
Yes, when you finish eating, and now make sure you eat.
What are you saying about that?
Mom, I'm coming with your spaghetti, your noodles. Your noodles. So I just use one package of the ramen noodle seasoning. Just one of the seasoning because it's corned beef and corned beef is already salty. So the only seasoning is I chopped up onions and garlic is what I use to season up the corned beef. So with that, I didn't need anything else. No salt, no pepper, nothing, because the kids don't want too much pepper. So no pepper for the night dinner. I'm done with the kids one, and I want vegetables in mine, so I'm making my little vegetables on the side. It's just the bell pepper, the sweet bell pepper, scotch bonnet, and I'm gonna get some baby spinach gonna put some baby spinach inside. And yeah, so that would be my way of having my vegetables in. So I'm just gonna let this soften, and then I will, once it softens up a little bit, I don't want it too soft, I want to have some crunch, then I'm going to add my spinach, and then I'll put my noodle from here, I'll put it in there just to mix the flavor together. And that's our dinner actually. Hubby and I are gonna eat that. And yeah, that's dinner. Go eat more, it's yummy. I'm gonna put my baby spinach. I'm gonna pack it because you know that it's going to reduce in size. Yes. Let's gonna pack it in. Yeah. Don't be scared. It's gonna go down. I'll probably put a little bit more once because my skillet is small. What happened?
I can't eat. Mommy, I want water. Mommy, I can't eat the crunchy. They're brown things. Mommy, I want water.
The brown thing is a chicken.
I can't eat it.
It's chicken, Ayamide. I'm begging you. It is chicken.
I know.
Go and eat the food. I'm not making anything else.
Mommy, I want.
So this is the spinach, baby spinach. So it's reduced to nothing. That whole
Mommy,
thing.
I'm done. I did.
Okay. Do you want more?
3.
Do you want more? Do you want more?
No.
Okay. Thank you. Good enough. I'll take it. Yeah. What is it there?
Yes. Mommy, I said yes.
Huh?
I said yes. Mommy.
Yes.
Show eat yummy, yummy.
Yummy, yummy.
Come.
All right, guys. So this is my dinner. It's ramen with vegetables, corned beef, and pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper. So doesn't it look so tasty, guys? So this dinner literally cost nothing. Corned beef is like $5 for the, like $4.99, $3.99 for the corned beef in the can. And then the box of ramen, we stock up on that. I know it's high in sodium, but we don't use the packet sauce that comes with it. We kind of put our own seasoning. So the corned beef is enough seasoned. It's salty already, like I said. And yeah, and then you just put some color to it. Your sweet pepper and some greens. All right. Enjoy your dinner, guys.